Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is brought to you by Gunk. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff and said let's make a video about cleaning your engine bay. As you can see, we have a whole bunch of products here. I would pause the video to see exactly what they are, but I'll link everything below. All you need to know is that for today's video, we'll be using the degreasing spray, the wipes, and 2 microfiber towels. Okay, onto the engine bay. We'll be doing this in order. The first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. The last thing you need is a shock from that bad boy. So we'll get all of these wires disconnected in no particular order and put aside. Once the battery is disconnected, we'll start with a wet microfiber towel. I like to remove a lot of easy dirt before we get in too far, so start wiping the engine bay down. Next, we're going to start with Degreaser. This is the original formula from Gunk. Make sure to give it a shake before liberally coating the engine bay. And I mean AOC liberally. After letting that set for 10 to 15 minutes, it's time for the degreasing wipes. These are new from Gunk, and I, for one, freaking love them. They're abrasive and coated in degreaser, so they seem to really get the dirt moving. Using as many as necessary, wipe down everything you can reach. Then, stop 3/4 of the way through to put on some gloves, because you realize you cut your hand on something sharp in the engine bay. And there you go. Next, using a garden hose, lightly rinse off the engine bay, making sure not to use high pressure water to avoid damaging any electrical components. Finally, take your dry microfiber towel and get rid of all the water. It can hide in some really small spaces, so be as thorough as possible. Now, this final step isn't necessary, but if you really want that brand new shiny black parts look, take some Trim Restore and wipe down everything black in the engine bay for a nice, like new shine. And there you have it, a sort of clean engine bay. Oh, and make sure to reconnect your battery so your truck will start. So once again, I wanted to thank Gunk for sponsoring this video. If you guys want any of these products, Gunk is basically sold in every auto parts store in the world. So grab you some, and thanks for watching.